Hello, welcome everyone once again to Kiran Paul's channel. This apartment is for sale and this apartment is 4 BHK which is in Hebbal. The project name is called Prestige Misty Waters and the size of the apartment is 2,483 square feet. So let's begin the visit of this apartment. So as soon as you enter, this is the main door you can see in front of me, and on the left side you can see this is your servant room or the maid's room. You can have, like, if you have a homemaid or which is going to come and just help you out. So as soon as you enter, you can see the flooring is marble flooring. And the moment you see, there's a hall. So hall is such a big, large, opens. The height is very nice on the side. The view is awesome. Basically, this apartment is 4 BHK where all 4 washrooms are attached. So that's one good thing about this apartment. You can see the balcony is a big balcony. It has sliding door, which is also called as French windows, soundproof. The view is beautiful from this location. Look at this view. You can see the lake on your left side. Then you see the whole Bangalore, which is South Bangalore. And the sunset also you'll be able to see. So basically this apartment and this balcony welcomes the east on this side, and then gradually it shows you, or in the evening you can see the west, so that means sunset. And also you can see a lot of greenery all around, and this is a lake. Lake begins from this end. But really maintained is only from that side. So this is a marshy land. You can see the balcony, a large balcony. So let's go and see the master bedroom. When you entered, you found this on the right side. So you can see now the master bedroom is wooden flooring, laminated flooring. The size is beautiful. The ventilation is very good in this apartment because it's in the corner at the end of the Prestige Misty Waters, and it is L type. So basically you see the east complete format and the south complete format. So you can see the window here. See again the same view as what balcony was there. Again west facing. So let's see now the whole size. You can see 12 by 14. It's a big large size. Let's see the washroom, which is attached washroom again. Good finish. It's all granite flooring, you can see. Completely wall up to the ceiling. Good finishes. Good color feeling, you can see that. Good ventilation. Jaguar brand. Experienced by the brand new apartment. It's no one has used this one. So now let's see the kitchen. So as soon as you enter, the kitchen is on northwest facing, northwest corner of the property. So you can see such a large kitchen. There's also 2 points given here: washing machine, dishwasher, inlet, floor washing again, and there's inlet here. Nice fittings they have given wherever it is required. You can see that. You can see the windows again. There are 3 platforms. That's a granite flooring here, granite flooring here, and then you will see sink is also provided, and then you can see the GAIL gas connection. So that's a window again, openable. Let's see the servant room or the maid's room, which you saw as soon as you entered. So this is a separate room for that lady, which is going to connect, to this room. So one room basically for her, and there's also a wash. There's a separate entry for her, for the maid, and this wash is here. Very nice, brand new apartment. Good size for a person to live. So from this living hall, let's go. Now that corner can be used as a dining hall or dining space, or you can use that space as also dining space. The space you can use as a dining space. Depends how your interior designer is going to use it. This corner also can have a big crockery unit and all those kind of thing, or maybe you can use this for the TV portion. Depends how you want to use it. The space is huge, 2,483 square feet. So let's see the private areas. So all these are now one bedroom you have seen earlier, that was master bedroom. So now we'll see another bedroom. So this is again wooden flooring, big size, 12 by 12 square feet. Then again ventilation, window is here, again opens to the same direction, south direction opening. Beautiful view, nice sunlight. Now here you'll see tile flooring, again the sink, cooler fittings, so nice one. You can see this. So you can see again. Now let's go to the third bedroom. So now this is on my left side. So this bedroom again 12 feet by 12 feet. Now this opens towards, the window opens towards east facing. It's a beautiful view of the lake. Sunrise. Open ventilation, good. Light, good. View is awesome. Greenery all around. You can definitely enjoy this property. You see, we can use another kid's bedroom or something like that. The size is big size. You'll see the washroom again. It's all tile flooring here. So now let's see the last bedroom, that's fourth bedroom. Again there's a wooden flooring. As soon as you enter there's a washroom here. Glass partitions. Nice fitting. Same one, same color brand. So this room you can enjoy your study room or family room or kids room if you have one child, or you can use it as an office. However you want to use. This size is around 11 feet by 11 feet. And this is a beautiful and the most attractive thing in this balcony is this, in this apartment is the balcony. Wow, beautiful. You can literally see 185 degrees of this apartment. The lake, the greenery, the sunset. So yes, dear friends, hope you enjoyed the view of this apartment and this site visit, and I would be happy if you have liked it, and I would be happy to subscribe it, share with your friends, those who are interested in buying the property in Misty Waters. Misty Waters, Misty Water is in Hebbal, which is accessible to International Airport, Central Bangalore, towards Marthahalli, towards West Bangalore. It's very easily accessible. And also there's going to be a metro soon. Maybe it will take 2 to 3 years. So it depends on the government how it's going to do it. So share your comments. If you have anything you want to contact, you can use my contact number, which is written in the description. The property description is already there in the video. So any other doubts, please call up. Thank you very much for seeing this one. Have a nice day. See you for the next video. Bye bye. Take care. Kiran Paul is signing off.